Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a new nail art tutorial with you all. In today's tutorial we will be using just one brush and a variant of gel polish color. It's really simple and easy to follow, taking only 1 or 2 minutes to complete. Let's get started. Begin by applying your first layer gel polish, then cure it for 30 seconds under UV light. Next apply a second layer of gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds under UV light. Now here comes the magic moment. We are going to apply our blooming gel or top coat. Blooming gel is perfect for creating design where the colors spread beautifully, while a top coat keeps the gel polish in place without spreading too much. I have chosen to use blooming gel for this design because I want my colors to spread seamlessly. So let's apply our blooming gel or top coat and watch the magic unfold. Once we are done with the blooming gel, it's time to unleash our creativity with the gel polish. I have personally chosen 4 different gel polish colors for this design. As demonstrated in the video, we are going to create half circles with each gel polish without curing the blooming gel in between. The process involves layering the gel polish one behind the other, creating a stunning effect. Additionally, I am adding a touch of glitter gel polish because who doesn't love a bit of sparkle? Once the half circles are in place, it's time to add some artistic flair. Starting from the middle of each half circle, as demonstrated in the video, create strokes outside to resemble petals, leaving space in between to form the shape of a flower. Once the first set of stroke is complete, repeat the process from the other side of the nail to add a unique and eye-catching effect. Follow along with the steps shown in the video to achieve stunning floral design on your nails. Every time you make a stroke, remember to clean your brush thoroughly. Once the design is complete, cure it under UV light for 30 seconds. Then apply a shiny top coat evenly all over the entire nail and cure it again for 30 seconds under UV light. Once finished, admire how stunning the design looks. I encourage you to give it a try and practice more nail art. If you have learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos. Thank you for watching and remember to keep supporting.